my head.
You're going low.
You can stop it, man. You're picking up out of the field. Wouldn't expect anything else.
So, yeah, without further ado, we're going to move on to the raffle. Big thank you to Horizon Hobby, of course. They've donated a whole bunch of stuff, ranging from the FMS Hawk, which was actually my own aeroplane that won the EDF class at Top Gun. We have Power Safe Receiver from Spectrum. We have DLE 20. We have about nearly $500 worth of servos on top of the DLE 20. Some huge thank you to Joel. Joel over there has cooked non-stop. He's going to carry on doing so. Tonight we have some burgers, some pork sandwiches and some...
Are you 6 shorter by any chance?
Yeah.
Okay, I was like, my rudder doesn't feel as comfortable as I'm used to. I'm like, oh.
I do. I like my short sticks.